Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Very good morning. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Very
How are
good.
you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much.
Very well.
My dear students, hope all of you are ready with your English literature workbook, part 2. Part 2.
Ma'am, how are you?
Okay? I'm fine, Ayush. Thank you very much. In the previous session, we have done some of the workbook.
Textbook.
Sarah, please check the messages before you join for the class. I have sent the message in the morning itself.
Workbook.
Workbook part 2. Yes. Workbook part 2. In the previous session, we have completed question number 3 from exercise 4.2. I want everybody to take your workbook and show me that page. I want to make sure that you have written the answers. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, good. So today we will be continue with the same exercise first and then we will do the remaining exercises from the work. All right? Yes, Andrea, good. Okay. I want all of you to be on page number 9. Page number 9. Sandria, unmute your device. Sandria, unmute your device and read the 4th question. Sandria, unmute. Yeah, read question number 4. Unmute your device. Touch the speaker icon only one time. Unmute. Yes. Read. Question number 1. Page number 9. Page number 9. Make it fast, Sandria. Yes, read. Read the question.
What?
What is the?
What is the
What is the girl? Girl. Girl
girl hip
with
to
pony. Pony. Pony.
pony
Tails. Tails. Ponytails.
ponytail?
Yes. Ponytails. What is the next word? Making. 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 Yes. What is the girl with 2 ponytails making? What is the girl with 2 ponytails making? First, let me explain the meaning of ponytails to you. The word pony, P-O-N-Y, pony, P-O-N-Y, pony, means a horse. Have you seen the tail of a horse?
Yes, ma'am.
Tail. Horses have long tail, right? Have a long tail, right? Okay. And ponytail is generally worn by the girls. See, Sandria also, I can see that she has tied her hair behind in a ponytail. Yes? Can you turn behind? Turn behind, Sandria? Yes, see? Everybody sees Sandria has tied her hair in a ponytail. Ponytail. See here? Here also we can see that a girl is there who has two ponytails. One, two,
Pony.
two ponytails. Now let us see, what is she making? Yes, Andrea. Tell me, what all can you see in the girl's hands?
Paper.
Paper. Then, what is she using to cut the paper? Scissor. A pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. Then, what else can you see there? In her hand. Coloring paper
Coloring paper.
and some glue. Right?
Yes.
Okay. The question is, what is the girl with two ponytails making? What is she making?
A doll.
She is trying to make a... See, there is something kept near the girl. What is that? What is that?
A doll.
A doll, yes. And she is using paper to make the doll. So how will we write the answer? Sandra, tell me, about whom are we asking in this question? About whom? Say, the girl.
The girl
Hmm.
making
The girl with.
a girl with
Hmm.
a
The
doll
girl with two
ponytail.
ponytails. Very good. We are asking about the girl with two ponytails. What is she doing? She is making.
With two ponytail.
The girl with two ponytails is making. Is making. What is she trying to make?
A doll.
A doll. And she is using paper to make the doll, right? So we will write a paper doll. P-A-P-E-R. Put a hyphen and write, oh, sorry. Write doll. Yes, I want everybody to write with me. Paper doll. A doll made using paper. We can call it a paper doll. The girl with two ponytails is making a paper doll. Paper doll. Thank you, Sandria. Good effort.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. The girl with two ponytails is making a paper doll. The girl with two ponytails is making a paper doll. Ponytails, P-O-N-Y-T-A-I-L-S, ponytails. Muhammad Rishan, unmute. Unmute. Read the fifth question.
Name two things that the girl is using to make the doll.
Not doll, doll.
Doll.
Doll, yes. Name two things.
The girl is using to make the doll.
Actually, we should be adding the names of the materials used in between. The girl is using
Glue.
what?
Glue.
Glue and what is there in her hand?
scissor.
Scissor, a pair of scissors. Yes, very good. To make the doll. That way we must write. So first, about whom are we asking in this question, Rishan?
The girl is
The girl, yes. What is she doing? She is using.
using
The girl is using colored paper, right? C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D, colored paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper, and scissors. To make the doll. She is using glue also, but here we have been asked to write only two things, the names of only two things. The girl is using colored paper and scissors to make the doll. The girl is using colored paper and scissors to make the doll. Hope everybody is clear with this answer. Thank you, Muhammad Rishan. Good. The first answer is the girl with two ponytails is making a paper doll. And the next answer, that is the fifth one, is the girl is using colored paper and scissors to make the doll. The girl is using colored paper and scissors to make the doll. Ayush, switch on the video. Siddharth. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. That is the here, based on the picture and the question answers that we have solved, we have to complete this paragraph. It is about the same picture. It is about the same picture. All right. So we have to, now we have done that exercise. That is 4.2. We have solved the question answers from that part. Now we have to complete the paragraph about the same picture. Understood, everybody? Okay, are you ready to solve it? Okay. Irene, unmute. Irene, please unmute your device. And read the first. Yeah. Yes, read it.
There are dash children in the picture.
There are dash children in the picture.
Three.
There are
3 children.
3 children in the picture. Yes, you're right. Very good. So let's write T-H-R-E-E, 3. There are 3 children in the picture. Okay, thank you, my dear. Ivania Brighto. Ivania, unmute. Ivania,
Yes,
please unmute your device. Yes. Read the second sentence.
The girl on the left is Jack.
The girl on the left is
Painting.
is painting. The girl on the left, that is this one, right? The
Painting.
girl on the left is painting. The girl on the left is painting. Painting. Ivania, what is this girl painting? What is the girl painting? Ivania, unmute. What is the girl painting? A picture of the sun, right? A picture of the sun. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. But we will just write painting. That is enough. We all know that it is the picture of the sun. Yes? So painting, the activity is important. The girl on the left is painting. Sarah, unmute. Try this next sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read it.
She has a dash
Abhinav, pay attention here.
in her
Uh,
a
in her,
in her she is
in her hand.
in the hand
She has a dash in her hand.
in
We are talking about the girl on the left. Look at the picture and tell me, what does she have in her hand?
pen
No, in her hand.
pen brush.
Paintbrush. Yes, you're right. She has a paintbrush in her hand. P-A-I-N-T, paint. B-R-U-S-H, brush. She has a paintbrush in her hand.
Thank you, ma'am.
She has a paintbrush in her hand. Thank you. Agnes, unmute. Agnes, can you hear me? Unmute. Read the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
She is dash. What is she doing? What is she doing? The girl on the left.
Painting.
Painting. Yes. Continue reading. She is painting.
She's painting
A picture
picture of sun.
of the sun. Yes. She is painting a picture of the sun. Thank you, my dear. She is painting a picture of the sun. Manav, unmute. Read the next one.
The boy is dash.
The boy is dash. What is the boy doing?
Making a clay.
There is a particular word for that, ma'am. Oh, Manav. Rolls. R-O-L-L-S. Rolls. What is he doing?
Rolls.
He is making.
He is making
The boy is making. Making rolls. And what is he using to make rolls, Manav?
clay.
Using clay. The boy is making rolls using clay. Okay, very good, Manav. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. The boy is making rolls using clay. Evelyn, unmute. Read the next sentence. Evelyn, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
The
it.
girl with the two ponytail is dash.
The girl with the two ponytails is dash. What is she doing? We have solved this answer in the following exercise, right? In the early exercise. The girl with two ponytails is? What is she doing?
Making a
Yes, you're right. Making a,
paper doll.
yes, making a paper doll. I'm writing here
Paper
below.
doll.
Paper doll. The girl with the two ponytails is making a paper doll. The girl with two ponytails is making a paper doll. Paper dolls. Paper doll. Okay, thank you. Meghadarsh, unmute. Read the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Dash and dash.
No, she is. Read from there. She is.
She is using.
What is she using?
She is using
Colored.
colored paper.
Colored paper. Yes, very good. She is using colored paper. And one more thing is there that we have mentioned in the answer.
Glue.
And glue. Okay, you're right. But she is using scissors also, right? Scissors to cut the paper and give it the shape. Scissors to make the doll. Okay, very good, Meghadarsh. Thank you. She is using colored papers and scissors. She is using colored papers and scissors to make the doll. Here you can also write glue. So if you want, you can put a slanting line and write glue. Have you all completed writing? I will give you some time to write. Abhinav, put your t-shirt out of your mouth. Those who have completed writing, please show it to me. Please show it to me. Those who have completed writing. Do you find anything difficult to understand in this exercise? Is there anything that you find difficult to understand? No, it's simple, right? See, we have solved the question answers which were there before this. So it is easier for us to understand. Yes, Adinath, what is the matter? Do you want to say something?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my fourth and fifth question is not completed.
Don't worry, I'll be sending the notes in the group. At that time, you may complete it, all right? I think you were facing network issues, so you joined a bit late. Am I right?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
it's fine, Adina. Don't worry. I'll be sending the notes. You can complete it from there. Okay? Whatever we have learned in the fourth and fifth questions, the same things we have learned in the last two sentences of this paragraph. The same thing, whatever we have discussed in the question answers before this paragraph, the same thing is being discussed here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. But don't worry, I'll be sending the notes. Are we ready to move to the next exercise? Yes, Aisha, good. Krishna Priya, yes, good. Ready to move to the next one? Okay. So turn the page and move to module number 8. Module number 8. Are you ready? The next page. Page number 11. Page number 11. In this exercise, we will be trying to understand the words related to different rooms and things in a house. Words related to different rooms and things in a particular house. We all are living in the safety of our homes, our houses. Every house will be having a different structure, a different way of construction. But there will be a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, a dining room, a bathroom in almost all the houses, right? Even if it is a small house or a huge, large one, there will be these rooms. Which are these rooms? The living room. Sometimes the word hall is also used for that. Room, living room. But the correct name is the living room. Then the kitchen, which is used for preparing the dishes for eating. Then the bedroom, used for taking rest, sleeping. And the dining room, the place where we eat the food together. And the bathroom, which is used for our regular activities. All right. Now, we are going to understand, in this particular exercise, we are going to understand the words related to the rooms and things used in a house. A house has, I want Junaita Joshi, unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
In the living room.
No, I want you to read the first one. A house has.
A house has many rooms. Each room has a different name.
Each room has a different name, okay?
We do different things in the different rooms of a house. Let us look at some rooms that houses have.
Yes, okay. Very good, my dear. Thank you. Meren, unmute. Read the first one, living room.
In the living room, we can see a sofa and chair.
A sofa, a chair.
A sofa, a chair, a
Center. Center.
center.
Center means middle. I will explain it to you. A center table.
A center table. A
C-A-R, car, P-E-T, pet, carpet, carpet.
and a
Few,
few
F-E-W, few.
more things.
Few more things. Okay, good, Merit. Thank you. So in the living room, we can see a sofa. Please observe the things that I'm putting a tick mark on. Sofa. I have put a tick mark on the sofa. And this is the chair. A center table. I'm going to circle it. A table that is kept in the center or the middle part of a room is called the center table. Center table. If we have some guests at our home, we will be requesting them to sit on the sofa or any of the chairs and all. And when we bring some tea or snacks for them, where do we keep it? On the center table. On the center table, right? So what is a center table? A table which is put in the center or middle of the living room is called the center table. A carpet. This is the carpet which is put on the floor, and a few more things. For example, maybe a poster or a portrait or a vase, flowers. There are many other things which can be kept as decorative material in the living room. All of you have the same at your homes, right? Yes? Okay, yes, very good. Now, the next room that we will try to understand is the kitchen. Adinath, unmute. Read about the kitchen.
The kitchen has cupboard,
Cupboards.
fridge,
Cupboards.
cupboards, a fridge, a gas stove,
Hmm.
and so on.
This letter A is said to be read as a fridge, a gas stove,
A gas stove,
and
and
so on. Okay. So on means many more things will be there. A kitchen has cupboards. Did you see this shelf with cupboards to keep many
Yes,
things
ma'am.
neatly in an organized way? Then a fridge, which is used to keep things cold and fresh. Many things
Yes,
like fruits, vegetables, meat, ice creams, and all are kept in the fridge. Then a gas stove used for cooking. Gas stove used for cooking, and so on. So on means many other things will be there. For example, if there is no dining table in a house, sometimes even the dining table and dining room in a house, sometimes even the dining table and chair may be kept in the kitchen itself. If the kitchen itself is a huge one, large one, that can also be done. Then depending on the appliances present in a house, it depends on the people staying in the house, what all they want to keep in the kitchen. So these are few things which will definitely be there in the kitchen. Okay. Sometimes the fridge is kept in the dining hall as well. Okay. It all depends on the opinion or the liking of the people living in a house. So you have learnt about the living room and things kept in the kitchen. All of you have, today I want all of you, after this class, I want all of you to go have a look, complete look, careful look at the, which rooms? Living room and the kitchen of your house. Okay. Soon after this class, I want you to go and have a look. And don't just go and have a look. If you see some dust or something, help your parents in cleaning that also. You must do that. Don't just take a round and come back. Okay. If something needs to be kept neatly, you must do that and then come back. Did everybody understand that? Now you all are growing. You must learn to help your parents in doing the work. Ready? Are you ready to do that? Just taking a round and understanding is not enough. We must learn to do our duties as well. Are you ready to do all that? Let me know that first. I'm going to call your parents and ask them whether you are helping in the, whether you are helping around in the house. I will ask. I will ask.
Mom.
Yes.
I will help my mother.
You will help your mother. Okay, fine. Yeah, when I meet them, I'm going to ask them about it. Okay? So see to it that you help your parents in the family, in the house. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye.